Hey. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome. Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl, Reese. And we are getting ready to get right into this video. So needless to say, I really wasn't going to speak on Stephy too much. And I'm going to break it down in this video and tell you why. Okay. Now, I don't know if Stephy has some doll babies that she has made with, you know what I'm saying, some stick pins on hand, and she is getting ready to stick those pins right into the doll, which is me. So therefore, I want to be normal as possible with her. Steffi G, and I'm telling you right now, you're great, okay? Don't get, you know what I mean, mad at me. I mean, I like my life. I like not getting pins stuck inside me. I mean, I really like it. I do not want to wake up tomorrow with hair on my chest or anything of that nature. You feel me? But anyway, so Steffi, let's read your little thing that you have on Facebook. Because this right here is a whole different kind of, I don't know what to say, weird, voodoo-ish. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, okay, I'm ugly, so fucking what? Right there is a key. Right there, Chrissy, is a key. Chrissy, if you ain't never listened to me before, please listen to me about this. So again, she says, okay, I'm ugly, so fucking what? Laugh my ass off. I don't find nothing funny. You get what I'm saying? I'm not trying to call you ugly, Stefany. I think that you cute, okay? Like I said before, I'm not trying to get no voodoo shit put on over here on me. You are just great in my eyes. Next, it says, these bitches act like it's something I didn't already know. I called myself ugly in my own live. So what? Saying it does not hurt me. So right there, this young lady is saying that she has experienced being ugly for a while. Now, you said that, Steffi, not me, okay? I'm just reading your comments, okay? Clearly, okay? Now, she says, so what if that bitch is prettier? Her attitude and the way she is makes her ugly. Well, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to tell you, Steffi, because over here, we tell the truth. And you know what I mean? I can't lie. Chrissy is a cute girl, okay? But, you know what I mean? Don't take it the wrong way. Now, it says, I'm ugly, but I have a beautiful soul. Y'all see my face? Okay. Something she doesn't have. So stop fucking comparing me to her. She's not even half of the woman or mother that I am. Now, Steffi, you know what I say, me and you, we still on a cool basis or whatever. It ain't nothing there between me and you. But what do you understand that, I mean, why, is there a reason that you say she's not half the woman that you actually are? Because I gotta be kind of honest, because, you know, that's what I do over here. Matter if somebody like it or they don't. But I actually see Chrissy taking care of her kids. I don't know if you're saying this because her son's father has custody of him. That could be reason why, but, yeah. So then it goes to, my looks don't mean shit. It's what's in the inside. Right there. When a person say that, what's on the inside, I can tell you right now, top of the line, that they are ugly. I mean, I can tell you. I can actually tell you. Because I know when I get on here, and there's people that like to, you know, make videos about me back to back or whatever, they be ugly as shit, and that's the first thing they'll say, well, it's what's on the inside that counts. I mean, I've experienced it. That's the only reason, you get what I'm saying? I'm talking about it. Steffi, me and you, We cool, Stephanie. Okay? I don't want shit to happen to me when I wake up in the morning. Like I said, I don't want no hair growing on top of my chest. I don't want my eyes, you know what I mean, sewed shut twice. Or I want my eyes to be open. I don't want them sewed together or nothing in the morning when I wake up. You get me? All right. So she went on to say, now you guys can stop messaging me. I'm ugly. And the funny thing is, uglier bitches calling me ugly and talking about me. And we're going to go ahead and wrap this up so we can go ahead and talk about it. It says, like, if I needed to hide what I looked like, I would have done my makeup and wore all this fake shit to hide the real me. But what's the point in it? I'm beautiful, bitch, hating ass bitches. Now, Chrissy, what I'm going to tell you is, you get what I'm saying? Because the other day you said that somebody came to your house and asked, you know, if you were renting your house. I mean, I don't know. I hope Steffi didn't have anything to do with that. But what I am going to say to you is that you may want to go ahead and fall back. You may want to not say her name at all. You may want to just leave the bitch alone. Because I'm trying to tell you, she is a whole nother type of craziness. She is. And I gotta be honest, I actually know some people that are actually ugly. And the one thing that they don't do is come on camera or come into your face and say, I already know I'm ugly. I already know. But it's what's on the inside that counts, because I already know I'm ugly. Stop coming on here because I know that I'm ugly, saying that, you know, she looks better than me. I know that I'm ugly. Stop coming on here, you get what I'm saying, and, you know, telling me to put makeup on, but I already know that I am ugly. All right? Yeah, you have said that you were ugly in this post multiple times. So I'm going to let you know right there, that has blew the fuck out of me. Because like I said, you are a whole nother different kind of person. She, woman, her. Yeah, you are. And what I'm saying to you, Chrissy, is you might even want to call her and make up. You get what I'm saying with her and say sorry? Because with that being said, I do not, and actually some of the stuff that she has posted on her timeline, I do not know if she has you in a closet with a braided lace wig on, with that legit shirt that you said you got from Target the other day, and she is getting ready to nail you to her wall, and you know what I'm saying, stick some safety pins in it. All right, that's all I'm saying. And you know what I mean, and I'm thinking that if Jasmine has been getting smart and, you know, saying little things to, you know, Steffi, because I do remember Steffi said, you know, she had to send her man after me. Yeah, what I'm going to say to you, Jasmine, because you already got a fucked up life at the point, girl, you might want to go ahead and roll on over there to Steffi G and say, you know what I'm saying, I'm sorry. The reason why the CPS might keep coming out to you is because she just might have you in her closet as a doll also, and it's tying thread around your neck, choking the shit out of you. She just might. So, I mean, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, what you and Chrissy want to do. But I'm just letting you know that that girl right there, the one that I just got finished talking about. But again, me and you, we cool, Steffi. We cool. She is a different kind of craziness. She is. Whew. I don't know, y'all. But it took me a time to get that out because I was trying to put it in the nicest way that I could. All right. Even the subscribers, yeah, fall back. fall back. The ones who are Chrissy, you know what I'm saying, cousins and Jazzy, loyalty, whatever the fuck y'all call yourself, I'm going to tell you clearly, listen to me, leave that girl alone. I'm getting ready to sum this video up or whatever, because like I said, I don't even want to talk about her. I was just, sent here to, tell you a little bit. But I'm going to see y'all, in the next video.